Alright, y'all. We got another drive, man. I got a little ways to go to the crib. I don't know how much of this y'all finna see. But, I can't even play no music for... I ain't gonna lie though, I'm about to play She.
Red light camera ahead.
Bro, cause... no music? Alright, y'all, let's turn this air off. You about to hear some... it's time to wake the block up. It's time to wake the block up. Go ahead. Yeah, we in BALTIMORE right now. If you know what that is, you know. So you got the GRAN? He did. I'm glad I waited. I shit just lost traction so much, bro. I don't know if y'all seen that, bro, but that shit just lost all types of traction. Oh, no. It's about to be an eventful ride home. Nope, it's like...
Speed camera ahead.
Speed camera. Bro, this junk twisted, bro. He just ran that shit, didn't he? God, he did. Y'all seen it. He just ran the light. What you feeling like? City, bro. Why is there a... huh? I don't know if y'all just heard that, but that was crazy. Oh, niggas on the block right now. You see a nigga try to walk up to my shit, you gonna see me put this bitch in Sport Plus so fast. It's just crazy how like this light been red this whole time and ain't nobody went the other ways. Bro, y'all, I spent so much money today, bro. It's not even funny. Y'all see, like, these streets, I love them. Because on these streets, I can really just max it and get y'all the best sound clips. I ain't gonna lie though, there'll be a lot of cops here. Like, y'all hear that, bro? Like, y'all hear that, bro? Oh my goodness. Y'all hear that? And the pops is louder at higher revs. I mean higher RPMs. Oh, I might have just found something out. Uh-oh. I ain't mastered it yet though. I'm not a paddle shift master yet, bro. Give me some time. I'm really a manual nigga, I ain't gonna lie. I really like the stick. With the stick, sick, I can really make something happen for y'all. We almost out the city though, man. Once we touch the city though, this 4P getting turned on. Bro, it is. Oh shit, then fuck it. I'm telling y'all, I'm getting nice with the stick, bruh. Shifting on the cuts now, like I'm getting nice with the stick. I should have enough gas to get home though. I'm probably gonna get, I ain't gonna lie, I didn't got gas, so look, I got gas before. I spent like 25 before I went out yesterday. Like another 25 to come back. Another 20, like I don't know, I just been spending money on gas. That was a bump. Are we in DC? Damn, that was a bump. I feel like that just did something. That bump felt powerful, I ain't gonna lie. I'm surprised I'm not seeing no error codes. I'm not gonna lie, I think that bump just did something. Hold on. That bump felt crazy. I gotta come out of Sport Plus in the city. This nigga trying to swim. I can't swim in manual, I ain't gonna lie. It be too much moving pieces. Y'all about to get some premium. Oh yeah. You're on the highway now, y'all. Now it's swim time. You know what I'm saying? forgot I can't play this. I'm about to cruise for a second, y'all. I gotta make a playlist. So I can't play no music besides she music, cause she music unreleased. I ain't gonna copyright that. Shout out to the Brody, man. 4P She, if y'all like the crank. Oh yeah, that's my cue. That's my cue, y'all. Alright, so for like most of this portion, I was holding my phone in my hand because I took it out the balance because it hurt my hand. So like with the camera moving and all that, that's fine. You better get some more sound clips. I'm a dead fool. Drive pretty much over. I'm starting to figure out how shifting works as far as for power, everything else, sound, burbles. I'm starting to figure it out. I'm about to Alright, y'all. Go ahead and end this joint off here, man. Appreciate everybody. Appreciate y'all for tuning in, man. Got a lot of footage for y'all, man. So hope y'all enjoy this. I'll catch y'all in the next vid.